Earth is full of incredible places. Some are so strange that they look like they belong on another planet. From glowing caves and colorful mountains to endless salt deserts and boiling landscapes, these locations seem almost impossible to believe. Yet every place in this video is completely real. These are the 10 places on Earth that look like another planet. Let's begin. Far from the mainland, in the Arabian Sea, lies the island of Socotra. Its bizarre landscape is unlike anywhere else on Earth. The island is famous for its dragon blood trees, whose umbrella-shaped crowns create an almost alien appearance. Many of the plants and animals found here exist nowhere else in the world. Because Socotra remained isolated for millions of years, life evolved in extraordinary ways. Walking across the island feels less like visiting Earth and more like exploring another planet. Hidden beneath New Zealand lies a cave illuminated by thousands of tiny blue lights. At first glance, the glowing ceiling looks like a sky full of stars. The lights are produced by glowworms, insects that use bioluminescence to attract prey. Visitors quietly drift through the caves by boat while the magical display shines above them. The breathtaking scene is completely natural, making Waitomo one of the most extraordinary places on Earth. On an island off the coast of Australia sits a lake unlike any other. Its water is bright pink. Even when collected in a bottle, the water keeps its unusual color. Scientists believe the color comes from salt-loving microorganisms and algae living in the lake. Surrounded by white sand and deep blue ocean, Lake Hillier creates a landscape that looks almost too surreal to be real. At first glance, this landscape looks like an endless desert. But every rainy season, thousands of crystal-clear lagoons appear between the white sand dunes. Located in Brazil, Lençóis Maranhenses National Park transforms into one of the most surreal places on Earth. The contrast between brilliant white sand and bright blue water creates a scene that resembles an alien world. It is one of the few deserts on the planet where freshwater lagoons regularly form. For most of the year, Namaqualand in South Africa appears dry and almost lifeless. Then, after seasonal rains, something extraordinary happens. Millions of wildflowers suddenly bloom, covering the landscape with vibrant colors. The transformation is so dramatic that the entire region seems to become another world overnight. It is one of the largest natural flower displays on Earth. In western Turkey, brilliant white terraces cascade down a hillside like frozen waterfalls. These natural pools were formed over thousands of years by mineral-rich hot springs. As the water flows, it leaves behind layers of white calcium deposits. The result is a landscape unlike almost anywhere else on Earth. From a distance, Pamukale looks more like an icy mountain than a warm geothermal wonder. In the Nevada desert stands one of the strangest geothermal formations in the world. Fly Geyser constantly sprays hot water into the air. Bright red, green, and orange colors cover its surface, created by heat-loving algae and minerals. The geyser itself formed accidentally after a well was drilled many years ago. Today, it resembles a colorful alien volcano rising from the desert. In northwestern China, entire mountains appear painted with giant stripes of red, orange, yellow, and green. These spectacular rock formations developed over millions of years through the slow movement of the Earth's crust and natural erosion. Sunlight makes the colors even more vivid, creating one of the most breathtaking landscapes on the planet. It is often called the Rainbow Mountains of China. The Danakil Depression in Ethiopia is one of the hottest and most extreme places on Earth. Boiling springs, colorful mineral deposits, and steaming vents create an environment unlike almost anywhere else. Some areas look so strange that scientists compare them to the surface of other planets. Despite the harsh conditions, this extraordinary landscape continues to attract researchers from around the world. It is one of Earth's most alien-looking environments. Covering more than 10,000 square kilometers, Sala de Uyuni in Bolivia is the world's largest salt flat. After rainfall, a thin layer of water turns the entire surface into a perfect mirror. The reflection becomes so flawless that the horizon almost disappears. Standing there feels like floating between Earth and the sky. It is one of the most breathtaking natural wonders on the planet and perhaps the closest place on Earth to another world. Our planet is far more extraordinary than many people realize. From glowing caves and rainbow mountains to endless salt deserts and alien landscapes, these places remind us that Earth still holds incredible surprises. Which location would you most like to visit? Tell us in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to Factnox for more amazing facts, incredible places, and unbelievable discoveries. See you in the next video.